a really quick video now on ratios of shredded paper and bulking agent. So for every caddy full of waste that you have, and this is just what we've chopped up previously in the video before, just chopping up our waste so it's making it easier for the bacteria to digest. But for every caddy you have, you need half a caddy full of shredded paper and 1/5 of a caddy of wood chippings or bulking agent, or any of your own woody prunings that you've chopped up yourself. It's easy to measure out. Half a caddy of shredded paper works out to about 2 handfuls, you can see there, and 1/5 of a caddy equates to about 2 to 3 handfuls of your bulking agent, as you can see there. So all you need to do then is take those materials, throw them into the top layer of the heap and mix them in, stir them through so they're evenly incorporated. Repeat that process every 2 to 3 days, and that will maintain a really good temperature for you, ensure you're between 40 and 60, and help you to compost efficiently all year round. So I'm just going to put another 2 handfuls back in here, like so, and then we can go and throw in both of these caddies into our hot bin and give it a quick stir, close the lid. Job done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because there'll be some more videos published soon.